Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Lloyd Pans kitchenware. It's a 10 by 14 inch Detroit style pizza pan made in the USA. It's hard anodized aluminum. So this is a deep dish Detroit style pizza pan used by commercial pizzerias. It's unusual to get aluminum like that because a lot of times they're made out of steel. So this has a permanent stick resistant coating. It's PTFE free and USA made, as I mentioned. Typically no pre-seasoning is required, but you definitely want to put some oil to make the pizza taste delicious. Now the story behind a Detroit pizza, it was a mechanic in Detroit that decided to make a pizza using one of the pans that he uses for his work as a mechanic. And it became really popular, the style he chose and the way the cheese drips all the way down and a high amount of cheese on there and the brick cheese that's being used and the way the sauce is laid on there. Now we're going to be demonstrating that. My wife's going to use this pan for the first time and we're going to make the recipe that we use to make Detroit style pizza. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is the company does have a sheet right here talking about beauty marks and that it's designed to be functional and not aesthetically pleasing. So the only thing I see on here is there are some marks there from when they had a grabber for the coating, and some people have seen that the seam is not perfect, but they say that that doesn't affect the quality, that it's all high quality non-stick. They do talk about seasoning it the first time, cleaning it, putting a little oil in there, and again when you're using it I would put oil just to have it release easier. Now the fact that it's aluminum means that it's going to heat up really fast. It's going to shorten your cooking time. So make sure that you experiment and don't over put a high temperature. I would recommend even a little bit lower temperature than they recommend online. Now we're going to demonstrate all that, but it's a very smooth finish on here. So let's look at the actual measurements of this. On the top, it's just under 9.75 inches, under 10 inches. And this way it is just under 14 inches, 13 3/4. And it has a taper to it, and that's what makes the pizza unique, and that's what you want for that Detroit style pizza. And to prove that it's anodized aluminum, I have a piece of steel here with a strong magnet on one of these work lights, and if I go to put it on here, there's absolutely no attraction. So this is definitely, there's no iron in this, this is all aluminum. So here we have it prepared with the dough and the sauce and the pepperoni. So here it's baking and you can hear it sizzling, the oil on the bottom. And we have it on not quite the lowest rack, but close to the lowest rack so that it cooks the bottom nice. So there it is out of the oven. You can still hear it sizzling. You see the cheese on the edges right there that melted down. That's the beauty of this pan because it's so thick. And you can also use this pan for making lasagnas because it's nice and thick. Let's take this out and taste it. So after just loosening up the edges, you notice we're using a metal utensil because they say it comes right out.
Beautiful.
And look at that. It's got that crust, the cheese melted on the side there. We're going to slice it open and taste it. So it's absolutely delicious. It cooked the crust perfectly. You could see it's got a little of the burnt cheese on there. So this pan worked great. Just a little seasoning on there, it released perfectly, and it's all aluminum as I showed. So this is a cool product that allows you to cook this unique Detroit style pizza. And of course this could be used because it's so thick to make lasagnas, as I mentioned. So this is a cool product. It worked well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please click on that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.